Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree and today we're getting ready for work. I like to watch Getting Ready with Me, so I decided to go ahead and film one and show you guys what I use for my skincare as well as how I preserved that Flexi rod set that we did in the last video. So first things first, I'll go ahead and spray my face with the Tower 28 spray, the face spray, and then I go on top of that with the CosRX Snail Mucin and La Roche triple moisture cream. I like to mix those together and then apply them to my face. I have dry skin and it works wonders for me. Next I go ahead and go on top of that with my SPF. This is by Tula. I've been using this for probably almost a year now and I just love the glow that it gives my face. Like, it just really makes my skin look really good. So I absolutely love that. Another SPF I love is the Inner Sense, the glowy one. That one is really good as well. This is a new pickup, the Danessa Myricks primer. I forget what shade this is in, and I don't have it like right in front of me, but I like this. Like, it smells good and it gives a nice glow on the face and it makes my skin feel really hydrated and nice and plump as well. Then I go in with my Fenty concealer. This is the hydrating one. I think it's called the We're Even concealer. I'm in shade 300N. I love her down. I've been using her for years, and today I decided to use a skin tint. This is the one by Maybelline in the shade 330 Toffee. I'm always in shade 330 for Maybelline. And yeah, I go ahead and put that on my face, and I like to blend it in, or before blending it in, I like to go on top with the Morphe setting spray in the gold can. Okay, and that one has the extra skin benefits in it, and it just looks really good on my skin. Leaves it very plump, very hydrated. So I absolutely love that. And yeah, I go ahead and blend that skin tint out. I love the way it sits on my skin. Like, it's just so pretty. It's really pretty. You can't even get like the full effect in this video. The lighting is just a little bit off right now. It'll fix itself later on in the video, but it's picking up very like yellowy or orange. But I absolutely love the skin tint. It's super like lightweight and it gives skin, like it really does give skin, and it wears beautifully throughout the day. So I'm absolutely in love with it. I've been picking it up to use a lot more lately because it's been really hot here. The weather is definitely getting warmer. So yeah, I like to go in with that. Now I'm going in with my powder puff to blend out my concealer. I have been blending out my concealer with a powder puff for months now, and I really like it. I think I like it a little bit better than using a sponge, because I feel like the sponge would pick up so much product, and you know, I'm left with like little to no concealer. But this powder puff should be doing me right, and I just love it. Been doing it for a while now. Now to set that concealer, we're using the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. I don't go in a shade lighter. I use 330 and I love her. As y'all saw, we have hit pan, but I'ma still be scraping the sides. Okay, this just changed my life. Okay, after I realized, you know, the girls were using pressed powder to set their under eye, like, this really changed my life. It gives very flawless finish, and like, I'm never going back. Okay, never going back. Sometimes I'll go on top with a loose powder, but most times I don't. Now it's time for blush. We're using Miss Danessa again. This rose and brunch shade is tea. Okay, like, it's so pretty, and this formula just lays nicely. Okay, y'all saw that I have already like set my concealer, but this blush still lays so pretty on top. It's not patchy, you know, it doesn't look cakey. It just looks flawless and so smooth, and this shade is so pretty to me. I've been gravitating towards it a lot lately. I actually got this one. It's the sample size. That's why it was so small. It's the sample size, so it came in like a 2-pack over the holidays because I was just trying it out, and I absolutely love her. Next I'm gonna go in with my contour / bronzer. The Fenty Matchstick been doing me right. Okay, I mean, she's just been doing it. I've been using this for forever, it feels like, and I believe this shade is an espresso. Yeah, I mean, look at that. It's just adding warmth to the face. Like, it blends out very nicely. It's so easy to use. Like, I feel like it's beginner friendly for sure. It doesn't like, it's not harsh. It's so smooth and buttery. Like, I just absolutely love it. It was one of the first contours I tried and loved. Now, to set that contour / bronzer, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette. I honestly should probably get new Juvia's Place palettes, because when I think about it, I've had this one and the blush one for years, like probably 5-6 years, and I feel like that's too long. Y'all know makeup expire, right? I feel like that's just too long, but anyway, moving on to setting my blush. I'm using the Juvia's Place blush palette. I'll make sure to put like specific shades and everything in the description if you guys are interested in that, so y'all know exactly what I used. But yeah, I mean, these Juvia's Place palettes have been holding me down, okay? Like, I'm telling you, I just been using them for years on top of years. And this particular morning, girl, I decided to play with some eyeshadow. I've been dibbing and dabbling. How y'all say that? Anyway, I've been trying out eyeshadow looks recently, and y'all, I did this cute orange one that I should have recorded, but I didn't. I mean, it was so pretty. I got so many compliments on it. But yeah, so we going in with a little something for my eyeshadow. Today I just used the Juvia's Place palette, so I used those bronzer shades as like my base, and then I went on top with this blush color, and I called it a day. I thought it was pretty cute. Y'all let me know. But yeah, we did that for today. And yeah, y'all, I love Get Ready With Me's, because I like seeing what other people are using, and you know, I like to shop too. This is my confession. I like to shop, so I like to see what other people use and see if I need to go, try it out, go buy it real quick. This next product, the e.l.f. Halo Glow Press Powder, that is a new product that I found at Ulta, and I believe this day was the first day I was using it. Y'all, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. It does remind me of my Maybelline press powder, and I just like it. Like, it's so cute. So I went on top of that Maybelline press powder with the e.l.f. Halo Glow press powder and just kind of sealed everything together. Next, we're moving on to brows, child. I've been using this Morphe brow pencil for a while. If y'all hear my dog in the background, she is definitely playing with a sock. I'm so sorry if she's too loud. But anyway, this shade is in Java. I know that for sure, because I've been using the same Morphe pencil for a while. Yeah, it just, I don't know, I've tried other things, but like nothing does me like the Morphe. Okay, it just doesn't. And to set them, I'm going on top with that NYX brow glue. I love this stuff. This is my second purchase, and it's really time for another one because it's starting to get all, gunky and brown and stuff from my eyebrow pencil. But I love this. It sets the brows real nice. It's really no fuss, no mess. You just, brush it up there. Sometimes I'll smooth it out with my finger, but most times it's good to go. And that's really how I do my brows. I don't go in with concealer and clean them up like I used to. I just leave them like that, really. But yeah, mascara, Fenty Beauty, hella thick, super cute. Okay, I love her. Another mascara I've been really loving lately is the It Cosmetics one. Like, girl, that one is really good. But yeah, I set my face, and now it's time to get to this hair. So if you watched the last video, then you saw my corkscrew Flexi rod set. I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but a lot of you guys said it was so cute and it came out really nice. And thank you. And y'all also left some comments and gave me like some pointers, and some tips on how to better care for it at night. And so I'm definitely take those in consideration for when I do the next one. But here I had thought to do being two knots. I was like, this should work to preserve, the curl, and lo and behold, to my surprise, well, not really to my surprise, because I knew it was gonna do it, it actually did. And I think it was the perfect like save. My hair, it cut down on the frizz, and I was able to kind of put moisture back into my hair. And I think that this was just brilliant. It's so cute. I used to do Bantu knots a lot back in the day. I don't really know why I stopped doing them, to be honest with you. I think just other styles just started, popping off, and I wanted to try this and try that and do this and do that. But this good old faithful Bantu knot really held me down. And I think it was the perfect save for the style. And I was able to wear it for a whole week, y'all, a whole week. And I just kept on or made sure that I bent to my hair every night before going to bed. And in the morning, I would just take them out, fluff. And I started to experiment with different styles towards the like middle end of the week, but it really held me down. It was so cute. And yeah, I really, really loved it. So yeah, but yeah, aside from this get ready with me, I have an exciting video coming after this one. I'm going to be attending a cutting class. If you don't know, I am a salon apprentice. So I finished my cosmetology school, and so now I'm working on getting my hours so that I can sit for state boards to get my license as a licensed cosmetologist. And so I took a cutting class, which is very exciting, and I vlogged it. So I'm super excited for that video to come out after this one. But back to the hair. Look at it. Look at the fluff. After we fluff and like pull everything together, it's so cute. I was really, really happy with this. Yeah, it just came together. Like the face, the hair. I'm gonna go in and do my little edges. Y'all know me. I'm gonna do my edge. And edge control, I've been really, really kind of not obsessed, but just really, really liking. I'm scraping the bottom of the daggone container. Is the Mielle, what is it? Is it rosemary? It's the green one, the strengthening rosemary mint something. Edge gel, y'all. That's what I've been using. That's what I used here. That's what I used in the last video. I've been using it for like the past month, and it's really been working for me. I absolutely love it. Sometimes I'll go on top of it with the edge booster, but most times I don't need to. But yeah, I've been really, really loving that, and I honestly should go buy a new one because, like I said, I'm scraping the edge and the bottom of the container to get the rest of it out. But anyway, this is a cute, quick little get ready with me. Let me know what y'all think about this style. I think this is really, really cute. Like I said, this is that same Bantu knot out, you know, the same one. And yeah, I'm ready for work. I'm gonna top everything off with this Elf Pink Corpse lip oil. Y'all, I've been loving her down. Really, really good, very moisturizing. Love the pink tint, just love it. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Stay tuned for my next one. Like I said, we're going to a cutting class. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.